celebration for my mama. When I finally make it, take on my vacations to Bahamas. Always celebrating ever since my birthday was the...
Hey loves, it's Nemoya. I pray everyone is having a great day. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you click the subscribe button and also click the bell so you're notified anytime I do an upload. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are already a part of my notification squad, thank you so much for returning. I appreciate your loyalty, and you already know to hit that thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm gonna actually be reviewing some goodies that I got from this lovely company. This video is not sponsored in any way, but I just wanted to come on and show you all some of the goodies that I got for my business. Listen, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are aspiring to be an entrepreneur, if you have a business, or maybe you have a business idea and you don't yet have the business off the ground, this video is for you. It will show you some good stuff and just go a little in depth about why branding and getting branded packaging is important for your business. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So I got my order today from Sticker Mule. And Sticker Mule, y'all, is so like bomb. This is like probably like my 6th order from them. Just everything branded for my business. I really love them, so I was gonna open this on camera, and y'all won't see too much excitement because I know what I ordered, and I already have some of these. Well, you know what, you may on the packaging tape because I didn't get no packaging tape before. So here's the bag that it comes in. I want y'all to see my address. But yeah, so please, I was making sure. So usually what they do is they put stickers in here. They know how to get you to spend more money because they'll like give you some stickers to their company, and then like you go order them. So these are the poly mailers that I have. So my company, Impressive Creations, this is what we mail your packages in. Now this size is a 10 by 13. I just ordered some more of these because these are the sizes that I use the most. I do have some like 14.5 by 19. Those are the bigger ones, so like you can fit a hoodie in there if you sell custom clothing and stuff like that. And then I did order some boxes, but those boxes are not coming from Sticker Mule. I'll do another video on them once they arrive, y'all. They are so bomb. But yes, so poly mailers, this is shipping your stuff in fashion, okay? Now, the reason why I chose to do this instead of like the ordinary, you can go to the post office and get like free mailers and boxes and stuff like that. But I chose to go this route because, for one, just think about when you ship a package. When you ship a package, how many hands are touching that package? Let's be honest. You put it in the mail and then it got to go from post office to post office. Like, how many people are handling that package before it gets to your customer? And so that was one of the things, that was one of the reasons why I chose to go this route. And also because, I mean, being branded, like my tagline is anything less is boring. And like, for real, like this makes your customers feel like so much more special when you go this little extra mile. Who would not get excited about having this package come to their house? Y'all go to Sticker Mule and get you some. The thing is though, you do have to design it yourself. So like they don't do any designing for you, and you have to upload an already made design. So just wanted you to know that. Okay, y'all. So, okay, they put it in here. What I was oh my goodness, look at that tape. Sorry. Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, so they put it in here. What I was telling y'all about as far as like the stickers and stuff they send. So it's like a thank you for your order. This is a coaster. They do cup coasters. And then they just got like a regular sticker in here as well, which is nice. And then they got another sticker down here, the monkey. I like them. I collect them sometimes I don't. So before I show y'all this tape, I'm gonna show y'all my stickers. So I got stickers as well, and these stickers are what I brand like my packages with. So like when I ship when I put the apparel in a plastic bag before I put it in the poly mailer, I stick a sticker on it, and that's just a measure that I go to, like an extra step. You don't have to do that, but they're really good stickers for any purpose. Like if you need to label something, you can go get your labels from them. They're really good and very, very nice quality. Very fast turnaround time. Whoo, baby, to this tape. So this packaging tape, y'all. OMG. This tape is what's gonna go on the boxes that I was telling y'all about earlier that I ordered. And it says, thank you for shopping with us. And then it has the logo, of course, and then it has my website right down there, impressivecreations.com. And so this tape is water activated. So they send you a little sponge. Right now this looks like a little piece of paper. But as soon as you put a drop of water on it, you know how a sponge do. It's gonna poof up. And then they send you the instructions. I like this tape much better though. I don't know. I think it's more, to me, it's more sturdier than other like packaging tape, because once that water sets in, like I don't know. I just like it much better. And I am so in love with this tape. Like I cannot wait to use this tape, y'all. Oh my goodness. This tape is fire. This is my first time ordering their well, you know what? No. I ordered their tape before, so I recently just rebranded Impressive Creations. And I did order their tape before, but I used it only once, and because I didn't like the design of their tape, I was like I didn't enjoy using the tape. But now, since I have rebranded and everything, like I cannot wait, okay, to use this tape. But yeah, so that's it. These are all of the items that I got from Sticker Mule. So I just encourage you all to go over to Sticker Mule and get your packaging. I'll put the information down in the description box. But I do want to encourage you all to get branded material for your business. Whatever business that you have, whether you're using poly mailers, whether you got to use boxes, whatever you have to use, it's so easy for you to go to the post office and get the free stuff that they have. I mean, it's cheap, and then you like, okay, I don't have to worry about purchasing nothing. I can ship in there. Now, I'm not knocking you if you do that, but I am encouraging you to go a step further and get your branded shipping material. So that is all I have for you all today. Very short and sweet video. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down in the comments section and I will answer them. If you have anything that you'd like to send me so I can review, my address is down in the description box as well. As always, it has been a great time here with y'all, and until next time, this is Nemoya and I'm out.
Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We been saying